Hi, and welcome to another episode of Glenn's Tech Corner. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a 3D mockup into a flat front with Photoshop. If you needed a flat front photo of this box, Photoshop can help you with doing that very easy. You simply just take their perspective tool here. Then you make sure to click on each corner quite precisely. So I would zoom in so I could see pretty precisely. I don't want this small edge. I only want what appears to be the front. If it has round corners, I would try to still go a little bit to exceed them so I make sure that I kind of match the edges very well. And like this. And then like this. Now it shows which selection we made. We can zoom in to just modify if we wanted it each of the corners after this, but I think it looks pretty fine. Now what we do is simply just clicking enter. And now it already kind of calculated what size was the box, that this is a square box. It also worked if we had a box of different dimensions. So now I can try to do it with this instead. I zoom in, I click on one corner, I just move my mouse to go to an area with the next corner. I try to imagine that this was totally square. We can round the corners a bit afterwards to get rid of this white space. Going down here, final click out here, just zoom out and click enter, and it does it pretty perfectly. Sometimes it can screw a little bit with the proportions, so it either looks a little bit wide or a little bit narrow, but then you can just adjust it with a normal crop if you feel like it's a little bit off. But I find it to work like very good almost every time. So I think this is a super cool trick, and I hope it can help you be even more efficient in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching.